Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your username and your password or by using your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, in order to change your username, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on your settings. This will now take you into your settings page, within which, underneath personal info, you will find your username section. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to enter your password to verify your identity before changing your username. So just type in your account password and tap on the submit button. And now you will be allowed to change your username right away. Keep in mind that you are only allowed to do this once. So choose your new username carefully and then tap on the save button in order to save these changes. Then just check your inbox to find the confirmation that your username has been changed. After this, the changes will be applied to your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Quizlet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.